Hello everyone, how's it going? This video is to invite you to participate in Hacktoberfest 2024, and specifically if you're interested to contribute to the Kairos project, well, we're more than welcome to have you. As you can see from our blog post, you can get some ideas of what's happening here, but if you haven't yet, there's this event called Hacktoberfest every October where the idea is to contribute to some open source project. If you haven't found which open source project to contribute to, or if you're particularly interested in learning something related to operating systems, well, guess what? There's this great project called Kairos where you can participate. Kairos is a particularly good project if you want to learn about Linux operating systems, if you want to learn about containerization, if you want to learn about Kubernetes. So there is really a lot that you can learn here, or if you're an expert in those areas, well, you're more than welcome also to join us and to help us make Kairos a better product or project itself. We're a bit of everything: product, project, community, etc. We're part of the Cloud Native Computing Foundation as a sandbox project. So everything in Kairos is open source. There's nothing hidden that you cannot look into. So if you're interested to dig deep, you can just go to, for example, our main repo, the kairos.io/Kairos. Here you will get an idea of the main project. But of course, if you just go to our organization, you can see all the different projects that we have. So where to start? If you're interested, you can come here to the issues and you will see that we have some tagged Hacktoberfest. So if you're interested, just look into some of those. If you're looking for something simple where to start, granted, it might be a little bit of a challenge because we haven't put the time to find the very simple task, but I think there's one called Good First Issue. So there are a few issues here also that you can have a look into. If you don't find anything in particular that you feel comfortable taking, or that there is something that you would be interested but is not here in the list, don't worry. Open an issue saying what you want to work on, and we'll discuss, and we'll try to also guide you if you need any guidance there. Yeah, so this is how you can get started. If you feel still a bit nervous about opening an issue or opening a PR, well, just come and join us in the Slack channel. So in the CNCF Slack, so Cloud Native Computing Foundation Slack, there's this channel called Kairos, and then inside, well, you can come and just make any questions, recommendations, whatever you want, and it can be related to Hacktoberfest. We will be happy to have you there. So that's pretty much it. Basically, join us this Hacktoberfest. If you open a PR and we merge it and we accept it for Hacktoberfest, then you will get the Hacktoberfest points. That I think there you need to have 4 PRs merged within October, and ours will count towards that. The only reason why we wouldn't allow 1 PR is if the contribution is not significant, and the only case where that would be is if you're just doing a typo or something like that. But for the most part, we're more than happy to take your contributions. Typos are also more than welcome, but if you're doing a typo, try to do something extra. Try to extend the documentation, or to reword some areas that might need improvement. Yep. And like I said, the other cool thing is that since we got some t-shirts up and coming, then I'm going to give away 10 t-shirts to the first 10 people this is tracked publicly, so to no way to say who gets it and who doesn't behind the closed doors. It will be here. If you have a contribution, then and I haven't put it here, just ping me and I will make sure to add it. Then afterwards I'll talk to you so that you can give me your t-shirt size and your address so that I can send it. And that's it. So let's get going and let's put some open source code contributions out there.